Located on the second floor of One Brattle Square, across the hall from the Harvard Professional Development Space, the Brattle Square Studio is purpose-built to provide educational experiences that are both impactful and intimate. The design of this larger space incorporates the lessons we've learned from years of operating out of the original multi-use studio at Story Street. This new space will broaden DCE's capacity to host online interactive events from conception to delivery, and is fully equipped to produce webinars and Zoom meetings, debates, lectures, interview panels, and demonstrations. The suite consists of a sizable teaching space with large, high-resolution displays, a variety of instruction tools, a state-of-the-art control room, an equipment room, and a reservable studio viewing area to watch the events live. Through a process of reflection, as well as gathering input through various faculty consultations, the Brattle Square Studio is designed to provide a great deal of flexibility for those who walk through the doors. We freed instructors from running the technology so they could focus solely on teaching. We created an on-campus teaching space where remote participants are displayed on life-size monitors, replicating the best aspects of Helix classroom instruction while providing an alternative for teaching to empty lecture halls or from home. We gave instructors traditional and innovative tools for lecture, debate, and board work all at their disposal. We considered the experience of remote participants as well as that of the in-studio moderators. We made monitor layouts customizable based on event needs. We don't believe in a one-size-fits-all model, so we put almost all of the hardware on wheels. We provided multiple teaching stations. For example, a moderator can facilitate discussion in front of a gallery of remote students, while another subject matter expert lectures in front of PowerPoint slides displayed on a green wall. We plan for innovation and improvement. Though our technology is cutting edge, we are not bound by it. Zoom is our current tool for web conferencing, but the design of the studio is ultimately platform agnostic.
Key features of the studio include video over IP routing to allow the display of content anywhere in the studio, capacity to host a panel of speakers both on-site and remote, a live stream option for viewers who don't wish to sign into Zoom, the capability to make meetings feel less like everyday Zoom calls, lower thirds, custom logos, various video layouts, etc. Multiple ways to share content directly into a web conference from a touch interactive display, various means for instructor staff back-channel communication, ample space for clients and TAs to monitor events in the control room, in the studio in comfortable leather chairs, or in the green room area. A Zoom director for large interactive events, managing breakout groups, running polls, lowering virtual hands to maintain participation order, etc. Socially distanced layout. Instructors can enter the studio directly without physically interacting with the staff. Events can be run from the control room entirely with robotic cameras if necessary. Infinite lighting possibilities with moving spotlights to display logos. Multi-camera productions with AI-assisted cameras mounted above 98-inch monitors to maintain student eye line. An overhead camera to capture drawings on a table or desk. 2 teleprompters to display active speaker views and facilitate a one-on-one connection with the student. A moving camera on a 50-foot ceiling track to provide establishing and overview shots. 2 86-inch vertical monitors to display participant lists or chat, or custom logos and graphics. A viewboard interactive display with a touchscreen that can be shared directly into a Zoom, and a connected tablet for annotating at a desk.
While the Brattle Square Studio has the latest AV technology, we've also put a strong emphasis on pedagogy. We use the studio for Helix Forum events, which allow instructors to lead dynamic interactive sessions with their online community, focusing on students who otherwise may get little face-to-face instruction. Although all students are physically remote, this immersive experience makes it feel like the conversation is happening in a single room. Faculty can seamlessly switch focus from an individual to the many faces of the class at large. It's high-tech and yet personal. Our forum events give instructors of courses that use pre-recorded content the ability to keep them timely and fresh with unique real-time conversations. Our goal is to make the learning experience as seamless as possible for our remote students and free our faculty from the constraints of technology. Our team will tailor the layout of the studio to an instructor's needs, whether that be incorporating an annotation tool, adding polling graphics, or using our Lightboard, which allows for board work without turning your back to the students. A single hour-long session in our studio makes a big difference to remote participants and helps build community that lasts beyond the event, without a large investment of time from faculty.
While all this technology is amazing, ultimately it's our staff who will determine how the space will be used. DCE has been a leader in online education since its inception and continues to shape what hybrid interactive learning looks like at Harvard in the post-pandemic world. We are well versed in all forms of educational media, film and video production, and AV design. We draw from the vast resources of DCE's teaching and learning team to support our events. This group includes course production specialists, course designers, instructional technologists, web conferencing specialists, faculty development experts, AV and IT support specialists, as well as graphic designers and animators who can create custom artwork.
On behalf of the DCE teaching and learning team, we are excited to launch this new studio, and we look forward to collaborating with you in the future.